privacy away, so you know I couldn't hear when you were asking me to stay. Whole world can change in the passing of a day, so I cherish every moment, look how fast it can fade. Cascade, waterfall to a lake, still waters run deeper, up and leave and escape. Evaporate, turn to vapor. She left asking why I didn't return to save her. Return the favor, turn the other cheek. Really listen, not wait for my turn to speak. Turn, retreat, let it burn, let it be. That's just me. I turn pages in a book I didn't read, but still know what's in it from what's written on the sleeve. Heart's all on it, anyone can see. That's all surface, not what's buried underneath, you dig? See her own reflection while looking in my eyes. Get distracted, reflective surface we pass by. Eye for an eye, to her I was a you, and you comes after I in the alphabet too. Been true since alphabet soup, and it's never gonna change. Put that on my last name. N-I-Z or I knows yet. I know yeah. What comes around is what you gon' get. Word, but you knew all that. Hope it sticks like a pool hall rack. That was cool, all black. But now I'm seeing red like a bull star back. Feeling blue like could you call back to say a word? You got some nerve, acting like a real B. Ain't no grading on the curve. I didn't say the bitch cause I knew that it would hurt. I'm considerate like that, but don't take me for a nerd. Word. Sundays that ain't always sunny. Bee sting, it ain't all sweet honey. Reason being when your nose gets runny, but you know don't mean nothing. And yeah, I know you say you love me, but what does that really mean? When young boys say it for sex is 16, and little girls like it cause life on the big screen. And we all in the movie, but you and me skip scenes. Now we don't know what happened before we hit the floor. Fell too fast, it's flooring and ignoring all the red flags, man, I swear that they were glowing. Fairly important to the story I was throwing. Seems you get less out whenever you're pouring more in. You know when?